At the Delavan-Darien School District, we have a huge focus on career, community, and life readiness. And this farmhouse project is a great example of bringing kids in, giving real-world experiences, relevant experiences that will last them a lifetime. And we want to keep our kids in our community, to grow our community, to be the best community it can possibly be. Not have a traditional day of school, gain experiences, and use their trades and their skills for future generations.
My name is Tom McQuinn. My business is KMA Construction. My role in the project here is making sure things go in the right direction and trying to keep everything organized. Probably the best part is teaching them the right and the wrong way of doing it. I know they had experience in the shop and all that sort of thing, but being on the job, I think has helped them out tremendously. I know it would have helped me out tremendously.
This project is different than any other learning experience in that it's during the day, it's off of school property, it's real world, it's real life, it's application of what happens in the classroom, whether it be electrical, plumbing, construction, it includes it all.
My name is John Pattinger with Home Lumber Company. We've been helping supply product for all these projects for the kids in the trade class. Makes us very proud to have a small part in this, and we're so happy that the local school district thinks this is important too, to teach our kids trades. I think it's important for a lot of the kids to understand they have another option other than a 4-year degree, that they can get into the trades. Obviously they have a great respect and affection for Tom, and I think he's making an impact in all of their lives.
I think the best part is probably introducing them to all the different aspects that go into refinishing a house. Not every school district or community gets these opportunities to learn all these things.
Delavan-Darien School District has the amazing opportunity for our students to participate in youth apprenticeships. Youth apprenticeships are a work-based learning experience where students are not only paid while they work, but also get to learn skills and competencies while they're on the work site. They're able to learn from their mistakes, take time to figure out what they want to do, and if construction path is for them in their career futures or not.
This is a one-of-a-kind project with 3 youth apprentice students working with a contractor with over 50 years of experience. It's just huge. The builder, Tom McQuinn, is able to spend time teaching these kids hands-on. We're always pushing the envelope on new opportunities, creating new opportunities, and the sky's the limit. With the kids' excitement and enthusiasm, we'll continue to do big projects like this.
The biggest skills I've learned through this project are basic life skills, how to work as a team and get stuff done. Your commitment is really important, not just to you, but to other people. Youth apprenticeships are important because it shows you what you actually like, and instead of going out and getting a job after high school, you're doing it now and figuring out what you like and what you don't like.
This job that we're doing helps me better than a classroom because I can actually do something that will help me later on in my life. Tom's helped a lot. I was clueless how to do half this stuff. He showed me the right way to do it and then what would happen if it was wrong. I'm grateful that I was one of the students that got picked for this. It doesn't happen very often to be able to do this and have the support from the whole school.
I've learned a lot just from, working with Tom and everything about building a house, but, a lot about communication and how to be employable and, communicating with people that you're working with, communicating with the boss, and overall there's, a lot of learning from this whole experience. It's been really cool just to know that the community cares, a lot of donations coming in and a lot of people partnering because they want to see the youth, build up.